Hi guys, so we're doing Zolpidem today. Hi Beck.
Hey Win. So as you know, I'm a nurse and I listed for the emergency care for COVID relief program.
Okay.
So I'm doing that next week actually.
Oh wow, congrats.
Yeah. Oh, thank you. I know it's good for my career and like exposure, and I do want to work in like crisis and emergency care. But I'm really worried about my insomnia because I don't sleep well.
Oh.
So the doctor's given me this for short term.
Gotta be careful, yeah. And this was your first time taking it as well?
Yeah.
You saw a short-term treatment of insomnia. The class of this drug is a GABA agonist. Yep. So doctor wants you to start taking it half a tablet. Yep. And then see how you go with it, and then maybe you can increase it to 1 tablet. Yep. It is mostly taken just before you go to bed. So you go to bed in the morning, yeah?
Yeah.
Morning shift. So pretty much when you go home, maybe for like half an hour before you go to bed, just take half of it and then see how you go. So this pretty much, it's got your label 1 on it. So what you do is that just if you're driving or anything, or you may get a bit drowsy, and it can also increase the effects of your alcohol. So it's best to avoid taking alcohol if you're having any.
Oh yeah, after work drinks, but I won't do that if I'm having this.
Yeah, all good. And then also with the other side effects, you can get a bit of like sleepwalking.
Yeah, I've heard of that.
Yeah,
I won't take it if it happens.
Yeah, best to take it short term as well. So yeah, only when you're doing the night shift, is it?
Yeah, I'll try not to get like tolerance or addiction to this because I've read up about that.
Yeah, but yeah, if you're taking it for short term, I wouldn't be so concerned. But if you're taking it for long term, I'll be a bit concerned with like your misuse of it.
Yeah.
So if you develop any tolerance to this medication, because you can. Yeah, that's about it.
I'll keep coming back here anyways when I'm back to Perth.
Okay.
So I'll let you know
Alright,
definitely as
let
well.
me know. Alright. Hope this helps.
Thanks, Win.
Thank you.
Alright, see you.
See ya.